Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for discovering the most practical, powerful, and well-designed gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Philips outlet extender you can buy right now. The Philips 6-Outlet Extender Surge Protector. Model SPP3466WA37. Let's unpack what makes this a must-have for your home, office, or travel setup. Let's start with what this product actually is. It's a 2-pack of surge protectors that each turn a standard 2-outlet wall plate into a powerful 6-outlet charging hub. That's right, 6 grounded 3-prong outlets from a single wall plug. This is especially handy for anyone juggling chargers for phones, tablets, Bluetooth speakers, laptops, smartwatches, and more. Philips isn't just adding more sockets, they're adding smarter, safer ones. This surge protector has a 900 joule protection rating, which means it's built to absorb electrical spikes and protect your valuable devices from power surges. Whether it's an unexpected voltage fluctuation or a storm-induced power surge, this unit is designed to take the hit so your devices don't have to. There's a built-in LED protection indicator light that gives you peace of mind, letting you know your devices are protected at a glance. A standout feature here is its form factor. The design is slim, compact, and thoughtfully crafted for space saving. If you've ever dealt with bulky surge protectors that barely fit behind furniture, you'll appreciate how flush this unit sits against the wall. It hugs the outlet closely and avoids creating unnecessary clutter, all while giving you triple the outlets. It's also super easy to install. There are no mounting brackets, no screws, no tools. Just plug it into your wall outlet and it's ready to go. That means it's portable, too. If you travel frequently or shift between workspaces, this surge protector can go with you without any hassle. Let's talk power specs. Each wall tap has an electrical rating of 125 volts, 15 amps, and 1875 watts. That's more than enough for most everyday electronic devices, including desktop PCs, gaming consoles, home printers, lamps, routers, and more. Whether you're plugging in your laptop for work, or your gaming rig for play, this surge protector keeps everything running safely. Another key highlight is its safety certification. The unit is ETL listed, which means it's been independently tested and meets the highest industry safety standards. You're not just buying convenience, you're investing in reliability and electrical safety. In terms of value, this 2-pack is priced smartly. That's incredibly affordable when you consider the protection level, build quality, and the trusted Philips brand behind it. There are also other options, a single pack and even a 4-pack, if you're outfitting multiple rooms or workstations. Even travelers who want to turn a single outlet in a hotel room into a multi-device power center. It's versatile, portable, and dependable. To wrap things up, the Philips 6-Outlet Extender Surge Protector isn't flashy, but that's the beauty of it. It's smart, practical, and built to last. With solid surge protection, a space-saving design, and effortless usability, it's no wonder this is Amazon's choice with thousands of positive ratings. If you're looking to simplify your power management and protect your electronics, this is one of the best options out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future reviews. Drop a comment if you've used this product, or if you want us to test out similar gadgets. See you next time.